We're buying slime.
Because we're idiots like that.
I think this is the one.
Cotton candy?
Yeah. Does it have everything we need? Includes everything you need.
Did you plan that?
No.
One day,
These will be tax write-offs.
what? What? If you guys ever get popular, buying slime for videos will be tax write-offs. Oh, Jesus.
I think you need to get some like that one.
I want to get the unicorn. Dude, we missed the rainbow. All right, let's go. So we actually bought the slime.
Yay!
Then where we headed?
To my car.
After that.
Home?
Oh, I thought we're not going to Target.
We don't need to go Target. We bought the slime stuff.
To check off my Christmas list. Hey, let's go to Home Depot where all the lesbians are.
No.
Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I'm gonna make you really mad right now. Hey, look, it's Target. Oh, this is a super Target. Oh, there's.
That scares the crap out of me.
Oh, buddy.
That's my life. Sparkles and freaking Star Wars.
What is that?
That's the Flat Earth Society.
Oh, yeah.
What is this?
Hey, cars.
Ah, dude!
Gotta catch them all.
Ow, I broke my nail. I broke my nail.
Wait, what does it do? Oh.
The mouth opens. Ow!
Izzy.
Huh?
Izzy, look behind you.
Huh?
Izzy, look behind you.
If we're on the bottom, now we in.
Yep. Yeah, it's only acceptable to get hit by a car if it's a
Can I
good car.
try being hit by like a McLaren?
That would be pretty nice.
Like or that. That's okay. I'm not even good enough for that.
Now let me go. Okay, so this was very spontaneous. Carsen and I got slime. I have rainbow. She has. We have cotton candy.
Cotton candy, scented. Mine's scented.
I have color.
We could probably make them both scented.
Yeah, so it says that it has everything that we need. I highly doubt that, but it's a good thing we're our age because it says age is 6 plus. Sorry, everybody below 5, you can't sit with us. I thought that like somebody had gotten into it and like taken the stuff.
Into it. Got king size in the corner. We should get into it.
Stop! I don't want to get demonetized once I get monetized.
So instructions. Follow these 4 rules. Do not eat the slimy goop.
I'm gonna eat it.
Gloop.
Gloop.
Be careful not to splash any solution in your eyes. Wash hands thoroughly after. And then cover the work area. We need warm water. Where am I supposed to get warm water?
Sink?
Wait, I don't think I'm supposed to do that yet! Izzy! Read the instructions! Already. How much is 7 milliliters?
I don't know. Wait, what? Hey, wait. No, okay, this is fine because this is just 1 cup and the second cup can be this one.
You have something to like.
Oh. Oops.
What did you do?
I wasn't supposed to put all of this
Oh my god.
in
My slime's gonna be so nice and cotton candied, and yours is gonna be like awful. My God, is. All right, where my instructions go?
This looks like cocaine.
Okay, shut up. I'm gonna do mine.
Literally, it looks like cocaine.
It looks like crystal meth. That's what it looks like. Where did my cup go? Oh, the little cup that was right there. What did you do with it?
I didn't do anything to it. Oh, it's right there. Okay, 1 level spoon.
That's not a level spoonful!
In my eye. If anything, I'll just add more water.
You're messing up.
So I have to do 3 of these with that.
Okay, we got my 7 milliliters of water and the glue. Half a bottle of clear glue. Gotcha.
I don't get it.
Why do you need a pointy mixing stick? Do they know our... Why is your mixing stick pointy?
Because I have this.
I don't know. Pointy. Alright, what's next?
I feel like this is not supposed to be like this.
A fourth of
Carsen. Okay, look. Okay, so this fill a second cup with 90 milliliters. Okay, so that's 3 of these, right? With 1 level of sodium tetraborate.
What's sodium tetraborate?
This stuff.
Mine's baking soda.
Baking soda. I got baking soda. This doesn't make sense. Fill in. Wait, Carsen.
It makes sense. You're just stupid.
Carsen, I need 8 cups.
8 like cups?
That's what it says.
Okay. Fill.
This should not be this hard.
Did they mean like 70? Like, or do they mean like 7?
I don't know.
Neither do I.
Maybe you've just been misprinted. This.
What does it smell like? Ew.
This is what people do for a living. This is really hard.
Alright. Mixy. Why doesn't this look like cotton candy, Izzy?
I think you were
I think you're supposed to be quiet.
Are you why does it have so much sodium tetraborate and only
It's yours. Can you do it all? Again?
No.
For like the 8th time?
No, I got corrected. Hey, I'm actually doing pretty good right now.
I feel like I need a new brain. Because my insufficient one is not working. I don't think I'm doing this right. I feel like this is taking me forever.
Genuinely, this is hard.
It kind of is. Like, how do kids do this?
I don't know, but I'm about to use a spoon. This one spoon.
No. Oh my god, I don't like this.
Yeah, I don't like that sound.
I don't like this, Izzy.
Neither do I.
Ah. Ew. I'm supposed to like play with it.
That's disgusting.
Is he ready?
Oh.
I don't find slime videos like entertaining though. Do you?
I think the ice eating ones are.
What?
Like mukbang and the
Oh
ice
no, I
eating
hate
ones.
mukbangs.
I love them.
I think they're kind of gross.
I love them.
I think it's supposed to break.
Yeah, did you put enough?
I think I put too much in. Yeah, let me do better with the blue.
Put more water in it.
I don't think I can. I mean, I can just like dip it. Oh! Oh! I don't like it when it's wet. I can't say I hate it, but I can't say I'm enjoying it. Okay, I don't like that sound, so it's fine. I did it. Look at my hands. It's literally like milky. I kind of like it though.
Let's like ask each other things about
Each other?
yeah.
Like questions?
Sure. Sure.
What's my favorite color?
Pink.
Yeah. Your favorite color is green?
If Riley couldn't get it, you can't get it.
Is it like, is it orange?
Oh.
Is it like a normal color?
Yes.
Is it blue?
No.
Red?
No.
Black?
Yeah.
I could have guessed that. Is there slime on your hands?
No.
Can you scratch my eyebrow?
Hold on.
I can't scratch it. Eyebrow, other one. Closer to my eye. Right there. Thank you. What's my favorite food?
Is it like a basic food?
Oh, sushi. Yeah. What's a food that I don't like?
Oh, tuna.
Your favorite food? Is it that thing you got at Ransteca?
That's my second favorite.
Do I know your favorite? Is it Hispanic?
Yeah, it's Hispanic. It's Colombian.
Oh, I have no clue. Is it empanada?
No.
I don't know. I actually don't know.
Bandeja paisa.
No clue what that is.
I absolutely hate this.
How's yours coming along? Are you almost done?
Horrid.
Horrid? Oh, that sucks. You're like, I don't even know. Zodiac sign.
Cancer.
I'm a Capricorn.
We've been over this like 10 billion times.
Not on camera.
True.
3 fears.
I think drowning is like at the top.
Really?
Yes. Oh shit.
Aren't you scared of heights?
Not really, but like kinda, yeah.
Am I driving?
And you're driving. I say like being forgotten.
That's deep.
Yeah.
That kind of cancels out. That's like too deep for what I'm about to say.
What?
I'm terrified of penguins. you know that.
I knew that.
I'm petrified of penguins.
Tell the people why.
When I was little, I had a reoccurring dream that, I was standing on like a building, and like the building was like hollow, like down the middle, like a courtyard, and like a penguin just like jumped off the building, like down into the courtyard, and yeah, it's a reoccurring dream. It's terrifying. 3 things you love.
3 things I love.
Yeah.
Cubans.
That narrows it down.
Cubans, food, and music.
Oh, that's like broad. Mine was gonna be like soccer, sleep. Another thing like I love, and my dogs. Best friend. Something I really, really want. So Izzy, you know what this question is? Tell me what you want. What you really want?
I'll tell you what I want. What I really want. Who you love? No, I want Karen to be real.
Oh,
I would sell my soul for it to be real.
What am I right now? I want the t-shirt that I really stupidly let Izzy buy. Favorite movie?
Wonder Woman.
God, this is hard. Mamma Mia. Favorite, we already did. Favorite band? Fifth Harmony's not a band. They're a group. Well, not anymore. They're not anything anymore.
How dare you? Honestly, how dare you?
How
you
dare
know
you?
that I'm emotionally, like, scarred?
Okay, just answer the question.
Band. The Aces.
Ooh, they're a good one.
Or Chase Atlantic.
No! I like One Republic a lot. And the Lumineers. Actually, Lumineers is my answer. What I find attractive in people. I think I already answered this. Hair. Long hair. Long hair and like kind eyes. Oh. Never been.
If they're Cuban, I'm already in love with them.
Alright.
No, but like people's like, I guess like their personalities and their minds. Like if you have like a really, like you know how Lauren is really like, she's like an advocate
Yeah.
and stuff. If you're like that, I'm in love with you already.
I like Miley Cyrus a lot. Like Miley Cyrus, who's like, she like sticks up for what she believes in.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, people like that. Girl, you know.
Someone I miss. Someone I missed came back last night. You?
Oh!
Because she went to Miami for a week.
Hey guys, it's Izzy. So Carsen and I are kind of super stupid, and we weren't kind of paying attention to the fact that we were using my phone, and my phone was dying. So there's like a whole hour of footage that we don't have anymore because my phone died and it didn't, you know, record. So essentially this is the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, you know, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because why the heck not? And you know, tell us what you want us to do later in videos, you know, down in the comments. And yeah, that's essentially it. Yeah, this is super disappointing and we're all upset, but you know what? Life doesn't work out the way we want to. So bye. I can't.